Now, as you guys can see, my hair is way past that black line.
Back in the back, back in the back, back in the back, back in the back. Who on Barbie D? Who on Barbie D? Everybody who you gotta see. Honestly, on my odyssey, I'm the baddest C. I don't even know how to speak. Hat to the back and relax. You in the back of
Hey guys, so these are the products that you need in order to grow your hair. You need mayonnaise, olive oil, honey, and eggs.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
What's up, y'all? So I have my hair into like little twists. I sectioned it so I can apply this, but before I want to say that please do not use a t-shirt that you love. Use a baby t-shirt from a long time ago or an old t-shirt that you don't want anymore, because this is really messy, and prepare for it to be really stink because the egg mixed with the mayo, I'm gonna measure my hair. So I'm gonna take a little part from the back and I'm gonna measure it. I don't have like a tape measure or whatever, so I'm gonna use a string and a marker. You guys see that little strand right there? Okay. So now I'm gonna use the marker and I'm gonna mark that section right there. So that's how long my hair is. Really? Let me measure it again to make sure. Yup, it is accurate. So that's how long my hair is, that mark right there. And tomorrow I will measure it again to show you guys the growth. I took this section out, I'm about to apply it. It's really messy, like I really hope it does. Oh my god, this is what I'm talking about. This is why you cannot use a shirt that you love, because the mess with this thing is real. So I'm just like raking it through my hair. Then I make sure to put it in the roots, because the root is what's gonna be stimulated to grow. Then I just massage it in. I do this every 3 months, and every time I do it, my hair turns, oh my god, my hair turns out really nice. Like my curls pop and my hair grows. So just so that you guys don't doubt anything, I'm showing you guys the time right now. It is October 13, 9:29 p.m. Now that my hair is up, I do not have like a shower cap or anything to put my hair in because I ran out. So I'm gonna be ghetto and cheap, and I'm gonna use a scandal bag. This traps the heat in my hair. I'm leaving it in for 30 minutes and I'm gonna wash it out. So as you guys can see, it's counting down 29 minutes 40 seconds. So I'll see you guys when the timer is done. Alright y'all, so the timer is done. It's dripping all over me. This is what I meant by it's really messy, and I don't care about this shirt, so that's why I wore it. I'm about to wash my hair out, do my regular wash routine, and after that I'll show you guys the finishing step, so stay tuned. So guys, this is my hair after I took the bag off. The treatment is still in it, but I'm just trying to show y'all that my curls are already popping. So this treatment doesn't only grow your hair, but it treats your hair and makes your curls look amazing. Y'all should definitely do this treatment. Okay? Alright guys, I'm back and this is the final step. I am using castor oil. Castor oil is really good at stimulating growth, especially if it's like the pure Jamaican black castor oil is really good. And using products with castor oil also stimulates growth. I realized that most of the products that I use has castor oil in it, so maybe that's why my hair grows so much. So yeah, you want to just massage your scalp. I'm gonna be massaging my scalp for 10 minutes. All right, I'm gonna challenge myself. It's been like 6 minutes because there's 4 minutes left and my hands are like really tired. I usually do 5 minutes of massaging my scalp. I don't know why I was challenging myself to do 10 minutes because I can't do it. So that's the final step. I'm done massaging my scalp and that will stimulate my growth. So I will see you guys tomorrow to measure how much my hair grew. What's up y'all? It's the next day. I'm gonna show you guys the date right there. It is October 14th and the time is 7 p.m. So it's basically about 24 hours. Actually, less than 24 hours. So I'm about to measure my hair right now and show you guys the growth. So I'm gonna prove to y'all that this treatment does work. It does help your hair to grow, and you guys should definitely try it. Okay. Alright. I put some part of my hair away. Now I'm about to measure my hair. So I can tell my hair already grew. Look at the shrinkage though, like, do y'all see the shrinkage? Look at that. But let's just get to measuring. Alright y'all, I'm gonna spray my hair with water so it stretches better, because my hair stretches when it's wet. But right now it's dry, so it's probably not stretched enough. Putting it right where the hair starts. And I'm stretching it. Now, as you guys can see, my hair is way past that black line. It's about, okay, it's about right there. This is my hair yesterday, this is my hair today, and thanks to the egg mayo, olive oil, and honey, you guys should definitely try it. This thing works. This is about 1 inch, so my hair grew 1 inch overnight. And one thing I should say, do not do this every night, guys. Like, too much protein is not good, so I do this every 3 months. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you've ever done this before, and comment if it works for you or if you're gonna try it out. Let me know your opinions and your thoughts. Please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more hair videos and more. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.